Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Jordan backpacks for boys is probably one of the most versatile and stylish accessories a young student can own, offering a perfect blend of functionality and athletic-inspired design that resonates with the energy and aspirations of today's youth. These backpacks are not just about carrying books and supplies, they are a statement piece, reflecting a love for the game and an appreciation for iconic sportswear, making them an ideal choice for school, sports practice, or everyday adventures. Number 5. Champion Unisex Manuscript Backpack. Introducing the Champion Unisex Manuscript Backpack, your perfect companion for every journey. It's designed for comfort and convenience, making it ideal for your daily adventures. Experience superior comfort with its padded, adjustable straps. You can easily customize the fit to suit your needs, ensuring a comfortable carry all day long. Never forget your water again. This backpack features a convenient side pocket specifically designed to hold your water bottle, keeping you hydrated wherever you go. Whether you're heading to work, embarking on a weekend getaway, or just running errands, this backpack is built to handle it all. Its spacious design accommodates your essentials with ease. Crafted for durability, this backpack is ready for your daily grind. It's a reliable choice that will keep up with your active lifestyle, day in and day out. Combine style with practicality. This unisex backpack offers a sleek look while providing the functionality you need for work, travel, and everyday life. What we like. This backpack offers comfortable carrying with its padded, adjustable straps and a convenient water bottle pocket. If you need a reliable bag for daily commutes, work, or travel, this is a solid choice for its practicality and ease of use. What people say. The backpack has a spacious main compartment and multiple smaller pockets for organization. It features padded shoulder straps for comfortable carrying, even when fully loaded. The durable material is designed to withstand daily wear and tear. Number 4. ADIDAS XL6 School Backpack 40L. Introducing the ADIDAS XL6 School Backpack. It's designed for your everyday needs, whether for school, the gym, or travel. With a generous 40-liter capacity, this backpack offers ample space for all your essentials. Carry everything you need with ease. It features a padded sleeve to keep your laptop safe and secure. Protect your tech on the go. Stay organized with multiple pockets designed for easy access. Keep your belongings tidy and within reach. Stay hydrated with dedicated water bottle pockets. Easily access your drink whenever you need it. Built with durable materials, this backpack is ready for any adventure. It's designed to last through all your activities. What we like. With a generous 40L capacity, a padded laptop sleeve, and numerous organizer pockets, this backpack is built for serious students and travelers. If you're looking for a spacious and well-organized bag that can handle schoolbooks, gym gear, and travel essentials, this one has you covered. What people say. The backpack has a spacious main compartment and multiple smaller pockets for organization. It features padded shoulder straps for comfortable carrying, even when fully loaded. The durable material is designed to withstand daily wear and tear. Number 3. Space Jam, a new legacy LeBron James action figure. Bring all the on-court action from Space Jam, a new legacy into your home with this incredible action figure. It's perfect for recreating your favorite movie moments. This LeBron James action figure stands a huge 12 inches tall. It's ready to dominate your collection and bring the excitement of the movie to life. Press his chest to hear over 8 sounds and phrases straight from the movie. Relive the iconic dialogue and add an extra layer of fun to your play. This articulated figure is designed for dynamic posing and play. You can recreate all sorts of exciting basketball moves and scenes. It comes with 4 cool accessories that attach to his body. These additions allow for even more creative play and customization. What we like. This is a massive 12-inch action figure that brings the movie to life with over 8 sounds and phrases, plus 4 cool accessories. If you're a fan of Space Jam, a new legacy or looking for an impressive collectible for a young fan, this LeBron James figure is a slam dunk. What people say. The backpack has a spacious main compartment and multiple pockets for organization. It features padded shoulder straps for comfortable carrying. The durable material is designed to withstand daily use. Number 2. WOLT Large Sports Basketball Backpack. Introducing the WOLT Basketball Backpack, designed to carry all your sports essentials. It's the perfect companion for any athlete, whether you're heading to basketball practice, soccer games, or the gym. Keep your gear organized with specialized compartments. It features a separate section for your ball, which can be easily adjusted, and a ventilated compartment for your shoes. This bag offers ample storage with a large main compartment, including dedicated sleeves for your laptop and tablet. Additional pockets keep your smaller items like keys, phones, and wallets secure, while external pockets are perfect for water bottles. Designed for superior portability, it features contoured, cushioned shoulder straps. This ensures a comfortable and easy carrying experience, even when the bag is fully loaded. Crafted from durable, waterproof, and tear-resistant Oxford fabric, this backpack is built to withstand the elements. It's designed to protect your belongings in any weather condition. More than just a basketball bag, it's ideal for soccer, football, volleyball, and all your gym activities. Carry everything you need for any sport with confidence. What we like. This backpack is designed for athletes, featuring a dedicated compartment for your ball and another ventilated one for shoes, alongside a large main storage area. If you play basketball, soccer, or any sport and need to keep your gear separate and organized, this is the ultimate sports bag for you. What people say. The backpack has a large capacity, perfect for carrying books and other school supplies. It features multiple compartments and pockets, making it easy to organize belongings. The durable material ensures it can withstand daily use and last for a long time. Number 1. Basketball Player 23 Multifunction Backpack. This backpack is ideal for your casual life. Take it with you for outdoor adventures, college days, shopping trips, cycling, or traveling. Crafted from water-resistant, high-quality canvas, it's both durable and lightweight. The padded shoulder straps ensure comfort and keep you cool, even on long journeys. It features multiple compartments to neatly store your laptop, phone, wallet, books, and more. Plus, a special channel is built in for convenient mobile phone charging. With dimensions of 18 by 6 by 11.8 inches, it offers ample space for all your necessities without being bulky. This makes the perfect gift for any basketball player star fan. Show your support with this stylish and functional backpack. What we like. Crafted from water-resistant canvas, this backpack boasts multiple compartments for all your essentials, including a special channel for mobile phone charging. If you're a fan of basketball stars and need a stylish, functional, and tech-friendly day pack for college or travel, this is the perfect gift. What people say. The backpack is very spacious and can hold a lot of items, including a laptop. It has multiple compartments and pockets, making it easy to organize belongings. The material is durable and seems like it will last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.